How to make the filter coffee? This time I choose 23-gram coffee bean. It will make into almost 2 cups of coffee for 2 persons. I choose Brazil with the chausson of pommes. This Brazil, Sitio de Cruz, they have the special exotic fruit frequent, especially when you cool down. The acid of fruity is very good with the chausson of pommes. How to make a good filter coffee is not easy. But at the beginning, you can try to put the water gently, steadily on the surface of the coffee. If you're not so confident, you can try only to put the water in the center, slowly and steady. By the way, the water temperature, this time I use 92 degrees. Why? Because this coffee has a very beautiful fruity acid. When the temperature higher, you can show this part beautifully. If you use the temperature too low, it will be a little bit not so clear. Usually, if a coffee bean has a specialty is quite fruity, I highly recommend you use a higher temperature. The last step is very important. Never forget to warm up the cup. Because the cup is cold, that will chill the coffee immediately and that will change the taste of coffee.